Silverwolf Citadel up from its third stage up to the final fourth stage of building. Applying the last iron pack right now. So far it's 2 stories with a little bit of a corner of the third story built. 1 staircase fully completed, and the second floor mostly completed. Still got scaffolding all around, and a few windows are done. Let's see what it looks like now. Quite a bit more of the third floor made. The whole front facade is almost complete. Lots of the wooden frame of the third floor. A little bit of the roof's done on that corner. Let's take a look at the back here. The back's mostly complete. There's a little hole at the top there. Third floor windows in place. A little section incomplete up there. So looks like mostly the roof. A little bit of the walls is needed. And that'll be done with the lumber. Let's see what it looks like in here. Less of a mess. Still got the workbench and the paint. A little leftover stone. Looks like both staircases are complete now. Yep, the whole second floor is complete. Balcony. Nice open skylight there. And stairs to the third floor are not quite complete. That's a hazard. Ah! And it fell down again. So now the clamor for lumber will begin. Ooh, floor's not done there either. Alright, well that's the final stage of construction of the Silverwolf.